Good day everyone. Good day Zimbabwe, South Africa, India, Japan, the whole world. So we have this job. This is some kind of boring job. We have this broken USB flash drive, came in for repair. This is coming from a customer, and we have to fix this. We have to fix this. Let's see what the customer brought to us today. This looks like a baseline 4 gig flash drive. The customer said he can't afford to buy another one yet, but he wants this thing to be fixed. So that's the drive, and I can see all the pins, they are broken. Maybe you can't see. Maybe you can't see clearly. But all the pins, they are broken. So we have to fix this. This must be a very quick repair. Let's see under microscope. What do we have? That's the controller. We have some capacitors. And on the other side, we have this look like the memory. And this one looks like the power management chip. So what I want to do, I want just to measure. We have like 2 resistors and those ceramic capacitors. I'll measure those capacitors straight away. Good. The capacitor looks fine. So what is our problem here? Okay, this looks like the driver, and our problem is here. As you can see, all these pins, this one is not connected, is here. The second one is flying. This one is not connected. This one is not connected. So let's do a quick repair here. Flags. We are lucky because all the tracks, they are fine. Let's try to do a very quick job here. So this is a very simple job. I'm on the other side. Solder here like this. On the other side, we need to solder again. This is ground. So our ground is now connected. Let's go back to those pins. This looks like it's a very easy one. It's easy to fix. Let's align those pins. This one, this one. I'm pressing the pins down so that this, when I come with the soldering iron, it will be easy. I'll press the first one, the second one, the third one, the fourth one. Now, all what we need, is to solder all the pins back. First one, good. Good. Third one, good. Fourth one, perfect, perfect, perfect. So we are done. We are done. Maybe we just need to clean up the boat, but we are done. Now what I want to do, I want to solder. We have soldered the ground pins from the back. Now I want to solder those ground pins again from the top to have a strong connection. So that we have a strong connection there. Here. And the other side. And the other side. Now we've restored the flash. As you can see, all the pins, they are connected, they are now resoldered properly in the ground. Now all what is left to test, that's all what is left here. I'll put this frame how it is supposed to be. Easy, nice repair for the weekend. Easy, nice repair for the weekend. Always use hot glue. Always use hot glue. Hot glue. Now sticking this flash as simple as that. Yeah, this frame, some pins got broken here, so maybe we can put it back, but the customer want to move it again. We can do glue here, just like this, and then the reason why I've done this, because that handle which is meant to shift this cover is missing. So the customer will use this flash like this, No adjustments anymore. But the good part is the flash is fixed. So let's see. Let's go on the screen desktop menu, this PC. Let's plug in the flash. You can see 3.74. Our flash is working. This looks like it's got an operating system inside. The flash is working. I think even to send something, I can send something inside. Let's send. There's no space. The flash is fully. Let's send one song. You can see it's copying. I don't know why it is slow, but this looks like this job is done. I'm sending files. So that's the thing. That's the thing. So I'll unplug here. I'll unplug here. At least you have seen that we now have a working flash, so there's no need to keep on this video. So what I would do, I'll stop this video now. Yeah, you can see it's written here Windows 7 W7, which I believe this is a Windows 7 flash drive with the OS inside. So I'll stop this video now. Like, subscribe, don't forget to turn on the notification bell for future updates. Also like, share, comment. Please see you on the next one. Bye.